Navigating the INI-CET counseling process can be challenging. Keeping track of notifications and making informed choices can quickly become overwhelming. That's where neetvantage comes in. neetvantage is designed to simplify the counseling journey by bringing all the information you need into one place, helping you stay informed and make confident decisions throughout the process. Let's take a look at how it works. The dashboard page ensures you stay informed with the counseling-related announcements. The allotments page provides you with information about the allotments from previous sessions, as well as the ongoing session as the allotments become available. You can use the previous session's allotments data to list out the seats that candidates with similar ranks were allotted in previous sessions. This will help you get a realistic idea of what your chances are this year for various courses and colleges at your rank. The current session's allotments data can help you understand how the ranks are moving across rounds and whether seats are likely to be vacated in subsequent rounds. You can use the filters to filter the allotments based on a lot of criteria. For example, say you want to see the January session data. You can choose that here. Now, if you are simply interested in counseling starting from a particular rank, you can enter your rank here and see the allotments that happened after that rank. To accommodate for yearly variation, it's better to filter from a bit before your actual rank. For example, if your rank is 1,200, then check from 1,150 or so that you don't miss out on seat that you could potentially get. You can filter the allotments based on a particular quota. Or if you want to see one more quota, you can select that as well. You can also select allotments for a particular course, or even based on categories. If you just want to see information for one particular round, you can do that too. This number here shows the total number of allotments that are there narrowed down by the filters you have selected. In this case, there were 15 such EWS allotments under IP and All India quota for anesthesiology in round 1 of the 2026 January session. You can clear the filters by clicking the Clear Filters button. The closing ranks page shows the closing ranks, also known as cutoffs, from previous years. A round's closing rank or cutoff denotes the rank of the last candidate who was allotted a particular seat in that round for a given quota and candidate category. Unlike the allotments page where you can see a selected session's allotments, the closing ranks page lets you see the closing ranks from all the recent previous counseling sessions in one page. But if the amount of data becomes overwhelming, you can always use the data visibility settings here to hide certain years' counseling data or other data that you aren't interested in. The closing ranks page gives you valuable insight regarding your chances based on your rank, applicable quotas, and candidate categories. You can see the current counseling session's closing ranks too, updated as soon as the allotments of this year's rounds are announced. Together with previous year's data, this lets you set some realistic expectations regarding the current session's trends. You can use the filters provided to find out exactly what you want. For example, if you want to find out the closing ranks of one particular institute, you can do that here. You can further filter it using the other filters. For example, I will add a quota and a category filter. Additionally, I will add a few course filters. This number shows the closing rank for this course. The second number here shows the number of allotments that happened for that seat in that round. For example, in the 2024 January session's counseling, in round 1, the closing rank for this course was 70. And if you click on this link that reads 3 here, it displays the list of all allotments that happened in that seat in that particular round. If you just want to find the general closing ranks from a particular rank, you can enter your rank here. The Institutes page displays all institutes available under the INI-CET counseling. You can browse institutes and access key information at a glance. This includes, but not limited to, the year it was established and their NIRF rankings. We also provide some quick links under each institute for ease of navigation. The courses page lets you view all available courses under INI-CET. You can filter the course based on the duration and type. For example, I will select the 3-year duration and MS type. This displays all such courses offered under INI-CET. The My Choices page provides you a platform where you can organize your choices ahead of time, so that you're prepared for when the counseling starts and you can enter your choices accordingly in the counseling website. To add seats to the My Choices page, you can go to the Closing Ranks or Allotments page. When you see a seat that you like, you can add it to your choice list. I will add a few to my choices. Now, if we go back to the My Choices page, you can see my saved seats in there. You can rearrange your preferences using this drag and drop button. If you want to remove one, you can do so by pressing the delete button here. You can download your choices as a PDF file by clicking the download button here. The choices are saved so you can pick up where you left off after logging in again.